What's going on, everybody? It's game time. I'm going to open my last of 3 boxes of 2017-18 status. A couple of you suggested I get some of these, and I did, and it has been very good to me. If you haven't already watched those other videos, I suggest you do, because these have really been good. I hope this third one is half as good as the others have been. At the price point that these boxes are, as affordable as these are, I was telling everybody that I was trying to decide what to open a case of. Maybe I should open a case of these. I had not really contemplated this, but, and I did the Stars and Stripe case, but at the price, I was like, if I'm able to get these at the same price, a case of this would be even cheaper than that, so. Alright. Another pack that feels thick. Did I get another? Nope, it's just a filler this time. Alright. Bradley, Parker, Randall, Antetokounmpo filler, and a Factions Trailblazers parallel to $2.99. And Yabusele rookie. Ingram, Lillard, Jokic, Collins, Harden symbols, and Zach Collins rookie. Dragic, Wesley Matthews, Brooke Lopez, Josh Jackson rookie credentials, a Ryan Anderson purple parallel to 149, and Ntilikina. For Peyton with that crazy hair, don't care. LeBron, Miles Turner, De'Aaron Fox rookie credentials, TJ Leaf rookie parallel to $2.99, and Dennis Smith Jr. rookie. Alright, Zach Randolph, Ibaka, Bledsoe, Leonard, Factions Raptors parallel to $1.99, Bogdanovich rookie. A couple more packs. Gonna be a autograph hiding in here somewhere. Saric, Cousins, Rondo, Stockton status quo, Factions Pistons, and Thomas Bryant rookie. Riddick, Morris, Parsons, Swanigan, Porzingis, and Selden Jr. rookie. Looks like there's our autograph. Kevin Love, Whiteside, Wall, Derek White, Bazemore, parallel to $2.99, Swanigan rookie. Isaiah Thomas, it's a good pose, it's a good card. Adams, Wiggins, Drummond, Orlando Magic Factions, and Donovan Mitchell rookie. Alright, let's see who we got. Let's get to the back. Oh, looks like it's something different than I'm normally seeing here. Wizards, that's exciting. Exciting, so exciting I can't even talk. Jonathan Isaac rookie, Holiday, McCollum, Gobert, and John Collins, new breed. Well, it is interesting. To 149, and it is something different than what I've pulled. These autographs are just sweet looking. So another solid box. You're right. for the price point, you can't really beat this. And it's good. It's like, it's a solid break with enough cards, but not like too many cards. It's just good. So I appreciate you guys who reminded me of this product. I'll think about maybe picking up a case of this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know. Should I do this? There's other stuff. This might be fun. I don't know how many boxes are in a case of this. I'll have to look and see. So I'll know exactly how many autos I get. But I mean, this rookie class is really good. There's a lot of parallels and numbered stuff. So there could be a lot of value in a case of this. So, alright. Please like, smash that subscribe button. And turn on your notifications if you want to be notified when I post. And I do post almost daily. Most of the time, twice a day. New breaks. I got so many sites to show you. If you like horror movies, you understand that reference. Otherwise, you're like, what's wrong with her? What's wrong with her? Alright, everybody take care. Hope you're having a great night, and I'll be back soon.